Good morning, children. Today's date is 21st September. The year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class, I'll be introducing you the sound of a new letter. Yes, the name of the letter is H, and I'll be introducing you the sound for the letter H. Capital letter H. Yes, so the name of this letter is H, and coming to the most important part, the sound. The sound of this letter is H. H. Okay, so this is the capital H, and this is the small lowercase letter H. Again, this is the lowercase letter H, but in the printed format. Okay, this is the way it will appear in your books. Okay, this lowercase letter H, the way when we type it on the computer, when we print it. Yes, so this is the printed format of letter H. This is the way it will appear in your books. Okay, so again, the name of this letter is H, and the sound of this letter is H. Okay, so the name remains the same, the sound remains the same, only the way it is written changes a little bit. Yes, so this is the printed H, and this is the way we write it in our book. Yes, so this is the way we write letter H, the sound H in our books. So this is lowercase letter H. Again, the sound remains the same. The sound for this letter is H. So this is the capital H, the big H. The sound is H. This is the lowercase printed H, the way it appears in your book, the way it appears when you type it on the computer. Yes, and the sound again is the same. The sound is H, and this is lowercase letter H in the writing format. Yes, the way we write it in our books. Again, the sound remains the same. The sound is H. Have a look at few pictures that begin with the sound H. Yes, the starting sound is H. So we have H. Hat, H, hat, H, hill, H, hill, H, house, H, house, H, hair, H, hair, H, heart, heart. Again, begins with the sound H. H, hand, hand. H, hose, hose. H, hippo, hippo. Yes, the full name is hippopotamus, but in short we call it hippo. H, honey, honey. You all know who provides us with honey? Yes, the honeybees. We studied about them. Then we have H, happy. Yes, this boy looks so happy. Helmet. Yes, it is important that whenever you are riding your bicycle or you are riding your bike when you grow up, you always wear your helmet. H, helmet. H, horse, horse. Yes, all these images here begin with the sound H. Hat, hill, house, hair, heart, hand, hose, hippo, honey, happy, helmet, horse. Here, all these images are beginning with the sound starting with the sound H. Yes, the letter is H. That's the name of the letter, H. And the sound is H. Children, coming to the practice sheet. Yes, I want you to take a printout of this sheet or copy this sheet in your literacy notebook. And in case you are taking a printout, after you complete the sheet, attach it to your literacy notebook. Okay, so the sheet is going to help you revise the sound H. So there are a few pictures here. And there's this letter H in the middle. Yes, the printed H. The sound is H. Okay, so here you have to look at each picture, say the name of the picture, and here if it begins with the sound H. Okay, so when you say the word, listen to it carefully. If it begins with the sound H, you draw a line. Okay, you can see the dotted lines here. So if it does begin with the sound H, you make the line. Yes, you trace over this line. And if it does not begin with the sound H, you do not trace the line. Okay, so in this sheet, you can use your color pencils or color pens. Okay, so that it is visible. So let's start with the first one here. Let's start with this picture. Now, what is this picture? You have to recognize and say the name. So this is a picture of a hat. Now listen to the word hat. Does it begin with the sound ha, h? Is the starting sound h in the word hat? Yes, hat. It begins with the sound h. Yes, so you can use your color pencil or your color pen and trace over this line and join it with the letter h over here. Okay, trace over this dotted line. Coming to the next one. Who is this? Picture of a cow. Cow. Now the word cow. Is the starting sound h in the word cow? No, the starting sound is k. So you do not trace on this line. Yes. The next picture is of a flower. Yes. Now the word flower, does it begin with the sound h? No, the beginning sound is different. The beginning sound is flower. It is f. Yes, so you do not trace over this line. Do not match it. The next one is a picture of a hippopotamus. Yes, a hippo. So the word hippo, does it begin with the sound h? H, hippo, hippo. Yes, it does. Yes. So you can trace over this line. Next is a picture of a house. Now the word house, listen carefully. Does it begin with the sound h? Yes, house, house. So you can trace over these dotted lines. Next one is a fruit. Yes, pear. Pear fruit. Yes, the name of this fruit is pear. Now the word pear, does it begin with the sound h? No, it begins with the sound p. Pear. Yes, so you do not trace on this line. Next one is a picture of a horse. Yes. Now the word horse, does it begin with the sound h? Horse. Yes, horse. Begins with the sound h. So you can trace on these dotted lines and join it. Yes, in this way you're going to complete the sheet and attach it in your literacy notebook. Okay, so you can submit this homework by tomorrow. Happy learning.